Do you want to know who actually viewed your profile on Facebook? Then you are watching a right video. So it's really simple. We needed to have a second application for it. So what you need to do is go to Google Play or Apple Store and write in search who viewed my Facebook profile. When you're going to write who viewed my Facebook profile, you're going to see profile tracker or like who viewed my profile, but the profile tracker is really good application. Click install right here. Or you can also try the view my profile LLC. And also the social detective is good too. And now I'm starting the application right now. Okay, I agree. And now I'm going to analyze the accept all. What you have to do is just log in here. And that's it. So you just add a login to continue. And this is how you can view the profile using the application. So then you can view it, but many people are saying that it's fake. It is not working like that, but I think some of it is right. So test it out by yourself. You can also write the reviews. So you can write read reviews of this application's profile tracker, who viewed my profile, if it's actually right or no. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.